Unlike albite, calcic plagioclase typically has broad, well-developed albite twins, making it easy to identify. Other properties are typical of feldspars. Plagioclase in igneous rocks typically occurs in these elongate laths, particularly in volcanic rocks. Multiple albite twinning is not evident in grains cut parallel to 010, but do not identify these as alkali feldspar. This is combined albite and Carlsbad twinning. Another set of multiple twins called pericline twins can cut across the albite twins. The effect is similar to the crosshatch twins in microcline, but is more regular, as in this close-up view. Twin lamellae are commonly bent and tapered due to plastic deformation. More tapered twin lamellae, typical of secondary deformation twins. Plagioclase more calcic than about AN25 has higher relief than quartz. Note the Becky line moving into the plagioclase from quartz near the top. Plagioclase composition can be determined in grains cut normal to the A-axis, which look like this. Measure the extinction angle for one set of twins, and then for the other set. Average the angles and get the anaphyte content using the correct graph. A close-up view of a grain cut normal to A. Note the 001 cleavage traces zigzagging slightly across the sharp twin lamellae. Igneous plagioclase is commonly zoned, resulting in a range of extinction angles for a single grain. Here the extinction angle is less for the rim than the core, so the rim is more sodic. This is continuous normal zoning. Another example of normal zoning in untwinned plagioclase, showing different extinction positions for the rim and the core. A sharp composition break can occur near the rim, as shown by this sudden change in extinction angle. Oscillatory zoning produces these concentric zones parallel to the crystal faces. Another example of oscillatory zoning. It's a bit like the growth rings in a tree trunk. It indicates crystallization from a melt. Plagioclase in high-grade metamorphic rocks tends to be equant and unzoned. Calcic plagioclase is susceptible to alteration to lower temperature hydrous minerals. Alteration to cerussite is common. A more magnified view of cerussite in partly altered plagioclase. Sorcerite is a common alteration of calcic plagioclase and is very fine-grained and a mineral mixture containing some epidote minerals. Another example of sorceritized plagioclase. And this is an epidotized pseudomorph of a plagioclase lath.